What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Beats Studio Pro headphones. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome and helpful content like this. Let's get into it. First thing you need to do is make sure that the headphone has enough power to actually go into pairing mode. So just put it in the charger for a few minutes. And then once you do that, you can find the power button and then press and hold until all the LEDs here begin flashing. And once it does, it's going to find the closest device. As you can see here, it's now in pairing mode. It is blinking and it is trying to pair with my iPhone. Once you do that, go through the setup process, press connect, and you'll be all set. So this was my video on how to pair your Beats Studio Pro headphones to your device. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.